Hey drivers, this is Barry with Christenson Transportation. Sorry, I was just polishing up our latest safety award. Remember, safety is no accident. We got to work at it, which is the topic of the day: weigh in motion scales. Sometimes we provide a lot of technology that makes us kind of lax up on our driving. Maybe we've got collision avoidance, adaptive cruise that adjusts the speed for the traffic in front of us, and we start letting the vehicle drive ourselves. Well, that's also what happens when we get reliant on pre-pass or drive-wise or any of these other things that give us green lights or red lights when we come up to scale. So we've had a big issue lately with overweight tickets. We're not weighing our loads. And they're not even overgross. We're failing to adjust the axle, so that's shame on you. But a lot of times drivers think that since they've got e-logs and drive-wise that they're going to get green lights at scales. That would be true if they didn't have weigh in motion. So the weigh in motion is pretty technologically advanced. They put sensors under the road, and these sensors gauge everything from how far your axles are apart based on the time frame you've crossed those sensors. It also determines your speed. It determines whether or not you've got super single tires or dual tires, and it senses the weight on each of those tires. But probably the biggest thing that we don't count on, or you don't count on, or know that they can do, is it can tell when you've got an air leak. And it does that by gauging the heat coming from your tire. Low pressure, flat tires build up a lot of heat. So they've got infrared lasers shooting out there that gauge your heat. So even if you've been given a green light, even if you've weighed your load and you're legal, those same sensors can detect if you've got an air leak or a flat tire. So I'm begging you, do all you can during your pre-trip. Check your tires, weigh your loads, set your tandems. You get a notification 2 miles out from DriveWise that the scale's open. Pull over and check your stuff. I don't know, maybe drivers think that if they've got a low tire or a flat tire on the driver's side and it's not facing the scale, that they're not going to get it. They are. They've got these sensors. They're pretty smart. So don't let this technology get in the way of doing your job, being safe. Just another little tidbit. So remember, we're Christenson Transportation, where safety takes priority. We're the trucker's truck, and where we win safety awards. So have a great day.